Vanilla and chocolate marble cake. It's extra special, just like you. Ingredients. Today we're making an Italian staple, something gorgeous that you can have every day with your breakfast. It's the Italian classic marble cake with vanilla and cocoa. It's gorgeous, just like you and I. We're separating the egg white from the yolks. Now we set this aside and we prepare the egg yolks with the light brown sugar. Milk. You can add any milk you like, whatever you choose. I think I made a mistake. We're using a bowl that's too small. Let's get a bigger one. Now we combine the flour. Baking powder with a little hint of vanilla. Now we add the fluffy egg whites. Woo! Now this is the most and the hottest part of this recipe. We're creating the two different batters that will together then join to create that marble cake effect. We separate half and half. We got vanilla and cocoa powder, so we create a vanilla butter and a cocoa butter. This is a classic bundt cake pan. It's been floured and buttered. Nice and even everywhere. This is going to be very gorgeous because it's characteristics and it's uneven, just like the marble structure. We're gonna do a little bit of vanilla butter, then a little bit of cocoa butter. Now shake it into place. Just like when you go into an important meeting and you need to get ready. And then in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Guys, this smells delicious. A piece of art. And we are waiting for... Guarda che bellina, questa ciambellina. And there you have it. Your gorgeous marble cake. Just gorgissimo. Nonna would be proud. It's gorgeous. This is gonna go in my section, cocktails and cakes. Did you know that we created a whole section called cocktails and cakes? Yes, because every cocktail should be paired with your favorite cake and vice versa. Your favorite cocktail should be paired with your favorite cake. Right? Did I say it right? See you next week.